Hi everyone. In this experiment, we are going to determine the conductivity, that is the electrical conductivity of materials. We will be taking various materials and check if the conducting or non-conducting. So this is a 12-volt battery. I'm using a 12-volt battery. So to this I have connected the wires here. So this is the positive terminal. So positive terminal I've connected to a wire and left it open. And the same way the negative terminal is connected to a switch here. So here I've used a switch. You can connect it directly also. And I've also used insulation tape to add insulation and to prevent shock. So again, to one terminal of the motor here, I have kept the wire open. I will tell you what to do with this. So here I've connected a motor, that is, when I place a material here, if it conducts, then this motor would run. So we can conclude that the material is a conducting material. Okay. So this is the thing setup I have made. So let us see material one by one. So here I have taken these materials. So this is the plastic knife and a glass bowl, a wooden clip, a stainless steel spoon this side and a plastic this side, a brass coin and an iron key. So let us perform the experiment with the help of these materials and find if these materials are conducting or non-conducting with respect to electricity. So here we have the motor and these are the two wires. So one wire is being touched to the metal on that side of the spoon. So we are going to touch this wire also into that metal and we are going to see if the motor runs or not. So you can see that the motor is running. You can hear the sound also. So hence we can conclude that this stainless steel is a conducting material. So now I take a clip. This is a wooden clip. So we touch both the wires. So one wire is touched and the other wire. So we can see that no electricity is passed through it and hence the motor does not run. So hence we can conclude that this is an electrical insulator and does not allow a current to pass through it. So I have taken the 10 rupee coin. So this is made up of brass. So one wire is already touched and I keep the second wire. So you can see that the motor runs, right? So hence the current is passing through this material also. Hence it is a conducting material. So secondly, I am taking the glass bowl. So we touch both the wires into the glass. So I have touched. So you can see that the motor does not run. So you can see I have touched both the wires, but the motor does not run. So we can conclude that this is electrical non-conducting material. So this is the key I have taken. This is an iron material. So one part of the wire is being touched to the key and the other part we keep. So you can see that the motor runs. So hence we conclude that this iron material is a conducting material, so electrically conducting material. So this is the final material. This is a plastic knife which we use for cutting cakes. So I keep one end of the wire to the plastic and the other end also to the plastic. So you can see that the motor does not run, hence this does not conduct electricity. Hence we can conclude that this is an insulator and does not allow current pass through it. So hence from this experiment we can conclude that the plastic knife, the wooden clip and the glass bowl is an insulator. This is electrical non-conducting material, these three. Hence it does not allow current pass through it and therefore the motor does not run. So whereas this side it is a stainless steel spoon, this side we have seen, and this is an iron key and this is a brass coin. So we have seen that all these three conduct electricity, that is they allow current pass through it and the motor runs. Therefore we conclude these are non-conducting, These are electrically conducting materials. Thank you.